Welcome back. Tonight, we are arriving at the beautiful Courtyard by Marriott Osaka Honmachi. The glowing exterior gives off such a welcoming vibe, setting the perfect tone for a cozy, luxurious stay. Getting here is an absolute breeze. The hotel is incredibly convenient, located just a quick 1-minute walk right from the subway station. It makes exploring Osaka totally effortless. As a Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite member, checking in comes with some fantastic perks. We were treated to a complimentary room upgrade and a relaxing late checkout. While breakfast isn't included at this tier, we aren't worried at all. This neighborhood is packed with some absolutely incredible dining spots that we can't wait to try. Let's step inside our upgraded room. The space feels incredibly cozy and immaculately clean. While the layout is pretty standard, the real upgrade here is our high floor. The city view is modest, but being up this high is wonderfully peaceful and tucks us completely away from the traffic noise below. Here's a quick time-saving hack. We switch to this top opening luggage. It takes up a fraction of the floor space, which is an absolute game changer. Oh, and the staff thoughtfully left us these delightful welcome snacks to settle in. One of my absolute favorite features of this property is a stunning onsen tucked away on the second floor. It isn't massive, but it has this wonderfully exclusive, almost private bar feel to it. You get to enjoy beautiful indoor and outdoor baths, making it the ultimate spot to soak and unwind. After a deeply relaxing soak, you can head down to the lovely lobby to enjoy some complimentary free-flow coffee. Good morning, we are ready to start the day. And just steps behind the hotel is an absolute hidden gem of a cafe. It is the perfect cozy morning spot. They serve up the most delicious fluffy egg sandwiches you could ever ask for. Beautifully prepared and packed with flavor. Pair that with the incredibly strong, rich coffee, and it's honestly the perfect breakfast combo to fill up. When lunchtime rolls around, you won't have to go far for an unforgettable meal. Just a quick walk right behind the hotel, tucked away at the corner of the building, sits a brilliant little restaurant that you absolutely must visit. They serve up some of the most delicious, mouth-watering tonkatsu you will ever taste. Everything here is prepared fresh to order, and you can really taste the dedication in every single bite. The beautiful golden crust is perfectly crispy, and the presentation is just so elegant and appetizing. It's an incredible, satisfying, high-value meal that feels like a well-kept local secret. In fact, you could easily say it's one of the absolute best tonkatsu spots in the entire area. Between the wonderfully quiet hotel room, the relaxing onsen, and having world-class food literally right at your doorstep, this day has been perfectly relaxing and incredibly convenient. It's high contrast value at its finest and absolutely worth checking out on your next trip to Osaka.